This is Honor 70, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can take a long screenshot, thus the scrolling screenshot, on this device. First of all, obviously open something that will allow you to take one, like a website or settings or whatever it is that does not entirely fit onto the single screen. Then just take a regular screenshot by simultaneously pressing the volume up key volume down key and power button. Then over here tap on the scroll shot or at the edit field. You can also do that, but prior to being able to actually prolong the screenshot, we will need to enable the scroll shot to begin with. So in here we will go for the scroll shot and switch this toggle on. Now let's go ahead and actually take the scrolling screenshot. Then open the screenshot, go for the scroll shot option over here. Wait for it to scroll to a certain point, stop it once you are satisfied with the length of your screenshot, and that will be it. Now all that it's left to do is to save it, and we've gotten ourselves a long scrolling or scroll screenshot. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.